During the question hour of Day 6 of the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, a question was raised by MLA of RANGSAKUNA ZENITH SANGMA on the non-inclusion of West Garo Hills BOLGANGRE village into the list of 100% electrification of households under the Saubhagya scheme. A response to this was delivered by Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestun Tinsong in the absence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma.
And when the accessibility is very accessible, and the village which is very accessible is not being electrified fully, then what will be the fate of the villages in the remote areas, in the far-flung areas? So, Mr. Speaker, sir, since Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has stated that it will be taken up under RDSS, so I would like to know the time frame as to when it will be taken up and when it will be completed also.
As I've already replied, DPR has been already submitted through REC, and REC is till now examining, checking the DPR. And once that is done, it will go to the Ministry of Power, and once Ministry of Power give us the submission, then implementation will be done immediately, sir. And again, let me reiterate to the honourable member, this particular village has already been included in this proposed RDSS DPR, sir.
Sir, this will be last supplementary. Mr. Speaker, sir, erstwhile under Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Jyoti Yojana, 100% villages could not be covered, and whatever villages were left out under those programs was supposed to be covered under Saubhagya. But unfortunately, so many villages have been left out. Maybe other than BOLGANGRE also, there may be lots of some other villages across the state. So I need some assurance from the government that when there is a slogan that Har Ghar Mein Ujala, meaning creating big hype, the government has embarked upon the very ambitious program, and in the ground zero, it is not being implemented properly. So we should not deprive any section of the society. It should be that equality should be maintained. So I want to get the assurance that the government will expeditiously explore the ways and means, as it has been stated by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, to make it materialized at the earliest.
Yes, sir. Those left out villages, as I've already stated, those left out villages during the sending of this DPR under RDSS, we have already included also. So once the sanction is accorded, I'll make sure that the implementation goes down up to the last mile.
Sir, this is not a question, it's a request. I would like to request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to furnish the information. Rather, he can place on the table of the House the number of villages.
This is a question.
Number of villages which are not being included under Saubhagya. For the benefit of the House, sir.
Sir, in fact, the question is relating to Rera Para block. So Rera Para block, for the information of the honourable member, there were 177 villages, and out of 177 villages, 24 villages were covered under Saubhagya scheme.